So I wanted to go over with you some of the pros of the TJB Sparkles Box versus Paparazzi. One of the number one things is that you're gonna get more jewelry for your money. And another most important factor is that you are your own business. You're not an independent consultant. You can actually hire your own independent consultants. Another perk is that you can get jewelry as low as $1 a piece versus the $2.75. And another great point is you can sell your jewelry for more than $5. And lastly, you're gonna be able to make money with the TJB Sparkles Box. Let me introduce you to the TJB Sparkle Box. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the TJB Sparkle Box? Well, it's your means to start your own jewelry business. So inside the TJB Sparkle Box, you're gonna have 120 pieces of jewelry, jewelry cards, and jewelry hooks. For further details, simply go to thejewelrybox.live, and always remember, jewelry is the statement. Everything else is just an accessory.